Hi everyone, Phil from statisticsmentor.com. So I woke up this Sunday morning, the day after I'd made the videos about the uses of the concatenate command in R, and I thought to myself that I'd missed one of the basic uses of the concatenate command, and that is its use in creating more than one plot on a page. So I'm going to now talk through that. How do you get more than one figure on a page? We can do it using the par command. Now the par command is used to set or query the graphical parameters. So par most probably stands for parameter. I've not found anywhere that says specifically it does stand for parameter. And we do it like this. Par mf row, that stands for multiple figures, where the figures are arranged by row. And then this is where we use the concatenate command. And it's used like a matrix here, so a number of rows and a number of columns. Rows, columns for you to decide. And then your multiple figures will be arranged by row first, and then goes to the next column, and so on. If we want to arrange it by column instead of row, we use mf col. It's the same. Now let's look at an example. I've got a data set here called dat. I want to regress yield on rainfall. Now for various reasons I'm going to do this without attaching the data frame dat. I'm going to use with command. So with the command, I've shown you how to do this in a previous video. This is going to regression of yield on rainfall. Let's look at the plot of regression without setting up the multiple figures. We have 1, 2, normal plot next, 3, 4 figures. Suppose we want all those figures on one instead of separate pages. We can do it by using the multiple figures command. So let's see, par. So we want to arrange it by row, mf row equals c. Now it's entirely up to us how we want to arrange this. Since there's a 4, we might want to do it set up like a square, 2 by 2. Okay, empty window pops up. Now we want to plot again. Instead of typing it, I use my up arrow to trace through the history of commands. Plot R1, yep. And now here you go. So first graph comes here, second graph along the row, then we go to third, then we'll go to fourth. So the normal plot is the second one. Bear that in mind, because now we'll try and use the mf col command. Right, so this par command is fixed right through the session unless you change it. So let's change it now. mf col equals c. Let's say 2 by 2. Okay, let's do plot. Recall that the normal plot was the second plot. First, second, so it's by column now. First, second, third, fourth. Right? And we have this, it looks much nicer. It looks better in a presentation. When I said that this thing holds, the par command holds right through the session, it means once you've set it up, then every time you do a plot, if you want it 2 by 2, you don't have to do a thing. Okay, hope that's been helpful. Have a go.